Good morning everybody. Today we're going to do a very French dessert, the macaron. Macaron is a bit difficult to do, but I'll show you how to make them easy. And we need only 4 ingredients. Almond, that you find almond milk or almond flour, that you find at Aldi, and castor sugar, and icing sugar, and 2 eggs. Actually, we need 2.5 eggs. Okay, we're going to see that slowly. Enjoy the show. We're going firstly to clean all our utensils with white vinegar to clean for the eggs, okay? And clean also the whisk. Put the thing down. Then we'll put 50 grams of eggs. Now it forms what we call the bird's beak. Perfect. Okay, it's good. Today we just finished the white. See? Beautiful. Now, if you want to check if it's good, you should be able to put on your head. Like that, it moved like a helmet. You wait for 10 seconds. That means it's good. Okay, we got our 50 grams of sugar. And we got our almond milk. So what we're going to do, see what's there here. And what we're going to do now, we're going to break that very fine. Okay, now we're going to do a few pulses. That's it. We don't want to do it more because of the oil in the almonds. That'll be plenty. As you can see in the bottom, it's already very super fine. Super fine. Beautiful. We're going to show you how to do the macaronage. I'll put the white in a bowl, and then, as I show you, we got the mixture, and we want to be sure it's nice and fine. So you start to mix. Okay. And you see big bubbles, and that's not good for our macaron. Yeah, it's a bubble from the meringue. So, okay, now I've done the second part. And doing the macaronage, that's where I do my food coloring. I use gel because the gel does not make water. Alors see if you do a good macaronage. You'll see with the color, that's help a lot. You know where it's not mixed properly. I'll be putting a little bit more. This one is very strong and it holds the color very well. You want to be sure that every part of sugar and eggs are mixed properly. Some people count 40 times. I never count myself. All what you see, when they start to be the fillet, start to be good. We should be able to do the letter 8, the number 8. It's nearly there. I'll put on the side. And when it starts to go down, it starts to be good. Okay. Past this stage, we should not do too much. See? 8. Beautiful. So we're ready to pipe and to rest. Preparation tray. As you can see, I have prepared baking paper. We'll be cooking the macaron. And also, I downloaded in the internet, and I'll show you on my list the site where you can get that from the internet. It's a pattern. The pattern where you can easily make the right size, and you don't have to write like in the old time on a piece of baked paper. Now, in the meantime, I got my little bag with a pipe. See, no bigger than that. I'm going to transfer my beautiful texture there. Okay. As you can see, we got very nice. Okay. We roll and we prepare that like a cartridge, and we'll be putting that in our piping bag. Now before I have to cut the end, and you put that in your bag. Okay, beautiful. Now what you do, you put your little serviette there, then your tray will not twist. Okay, are we ready? we take a little piping bag. As you can see, it starts. So what you do, you fill up. Yeah, you fill up the circle. You can go wrong. You can turn. It's more comfortable to do on the other way. Oh, you can make another one there. Good. Okay. Good. So with this quantity, you got enough to do 5. Yeah, we make 33. You know, with the same quantity, and I got still some in the bag. Now it's not finished. What we do, you see this little pink. You see this little dot? So we're going to bang them on the tray. By doing that, it becomes flat. And also you bang underneath. That remove all the bubbles. Okay? And if you see some bubbles, what you can do, I'll show you with a pick, a skewer or toothpick. What you can do, you pick. All right? If you see a big mat, but sometimes you can make more damage. Yeah, one little bit there. Okay, now you leave that to rest for 30 minutes until when you put your fingers on it, it does not stick to the finger. Now remember the batch we did before? I put my finger just there. Oh, nice, it does not stick, see? And they're ready to cook. My oven is at 150 and we'll check for in 10 minutes what's happened. And also before cooking, you want to be sure you remove the pattern. Okay? Keep clean for next one. So I transfer the batch on a bigger tray. Beautiful. It does not stick to the finger. We can start to cook. At 150 degrees. We check the cook. What we do that. See? Beautiful. And you got a little fruit. You got the fruit. Let them dry. And then we'll be decorating them. Perfect. The cartridge in our clean bag. On the description you'll see the site how to download for free on the internet. Okay, now we are going to fill the macaron. All right. So I got my piping bag, always clean. You just change the nozzle, that's all. And I have prepared a little filling. Okay. You can do that with buttercream or fondant or any filling you like. Okay, good. What we do next, like we did for before. We just make a little cartridge. Okay. And we roll the cartridge. Good. And we're going to put that in our piping bag without cutting. Okay. And you put that in your piping bag. Like that, no mess, all clean, no hand dirty. We're going to fill the macaron. So you put them together by pair. You try to match the same size, of course. This one a bit big. I'll put together there. Okay. So you turn around one side next to the same one. Good. Okay, now we're in business. Okay, you do a little bit of decoration like that. Don't put too much. Don't put too close to the end, because when you stick them together, you press a little bit, and that's it. Okay? Or sometimes you turn. Good. Beautiful macaron.